Fed up of these flappy rows on the back of your overlay mosaic crochet projects? Well, there are several ways to fix them. You could make your project reversible, or you could try adding in anchor stitches. No more flaps here. You can add an anchor stitch to your project as often as you would like. Once you have reached the stitch where you'd like to place one, pop your hook through the back loop of the stitch as if you're going to do a back loop only single crochet. Tip your work forwards and go through the back loop of the stitch the same colour 2 rows down. You're then going to work the rest of a standard single crochet and keep going until you want to add your next anchor stitch. Just to demonstrate that once more, go through the back loop of the stitch where you'd like an anchor stitch, tip your work forwards, go through the back loop of the corresponding coloured stitch 2 rows down, and finish working a single crochet. Once you have finished your work, if you go back and look, you can barely tell where the anchor stitches lie, and you've lost all those flappy bits on the back. Win-win. Why not try out your new anchor stitch with one of these patterns? See you in the next one.